Hey dude, how's it going?
Good.
I see you're geared up. You like rock climbing or something?
No.
No, that's right.
Skydivers.
We're skydiving. We're at Skydive Big Sky in Isabel, Alberta. We're getting our plane. We're taking up to 12,500 feet. We're going to open that door. It's going to be blustery, and you better own your britches. Are you ready to go?
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Denmarley, and I'm from the Philippines now.
Philippines.
Yeah,
A long ways, Denmark. Okay.
And I'm about doing skydiving. And so my friends and family, mahal ko kayo.
Right on.
Welcome
Okay,
to
Denmark.
Welcome to Japan.
We will see you in the plane.
Smile with the rising sun. Three little birds by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Yeah, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. We're gonna feel every little thing. It's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, each by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Saying, this is my message to you.
What's that, buddy? John, brother, boys.
Happy
Woo!
birthday!
Happy birthday, Denmark.
Thank you so much.
Denmark, what was the best part, my friend?
Oh, the free fall.
You like falling out of the plane? That was pretty cool, eh?
Yeah, I feel like a Superman.
Yeah, for sure, man. Have you got any messages to folks back home watching this
Yeah.
video?
So all my friends out there, like what I said, mahal ko kayo. It means
And?
I love you all.
And one more thing. How about come out to Big Sky and jump with Scott and Reed,
Yep.
Team Awesome.
Team awesome.
Yeah, buddy.
Thanks so much, buddy.
Good job, boys. Awesome. Was that good or what?